Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग 24 जून 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को लेकर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Where has the first joint exercise in UNAVFOR of Indian Navy and European Union Naval Force started recently? It has been started in Gulf of Aden. Indian naval ship Trikand, currently deployed for anti-piracy operations, is participating in first ever exercise with UNAVFOR. Recently, who has been named a member of the High Advisory Group by the World Bank and IMF? It is Montek Singh Ahluwalia. He is an economist and civil servant and former Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission of India, who has been awarded the prestigious Central European University Open Society Award recently. This has been awarded to K.K. Shelja for her leadership and community-based public health work, saving lives during pandemic. Recently, which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyami Yojana? This scheme has been launched by Bihar's CM Nitish Kumar, and he has launched this scheme to provide opportunities to the unemployed youth to start their own business. In this scheme, loan up to 10 lakh rupees will be provided with 50% grants. For example, 5 lakh will be as a loan and 5 lakh rupees will be as a grant in from government. Who has recently won the French Grand Prix Formula 1 race 2021? It has been won by Max Verstappen. He is a 23-year-old Belgian-Dutch racing driver who has been appointed as the chairman of Andhra Pradesh State Police Complaints Authority recently. V. Kanagraj. He has been the former judge of High Court of Madras and State Election Commissioner of Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which state government has announced to open a paragliding club in the name of Milkha Singh? This state is Haryana. CM of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, has made this announcement, and this paragliding club will be used for training adventure sports. This club is located at Haryana's Morni Hills in Panchkula region. Who has become the first woman in the country to be appointed as a member of the coach committee of International Boxing Association? It is Dr. Tadang Minu. She is first woman and second Indian to be appointed as a member of coaches committee of IBA, the parent body for boxing in the world. Where has the Hamisazu festival been celebrated recently? It has been celebrated in Ladakh. It is celebrated with great fervor, usually in the courtyard of Buddhist monasteries. Monks wear colorful robes and frightful masks to perform charm. This year it is celebrated on 20th and 21st June, and in the year 2022 it will be celebrated on 8th and 9th July. Which country has declared the birthday of famous tennis player Rafael Nadal as National Tennis Day? It has been declared by Spain. Who is the author of the book My Joys and Sorrows as a Mother of a Special Child, recently launched by Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan? This book has been authored by Dr. Krishna Saxena, and this book deals with the sacrifices of a mother of a special child. Justice Munishwar Nath Bhandari has been appointed as the acting Chief Justice of which High Court recently? This is Allahabad High Court. When is the International Widows Day observed every year? It is observed on 23rd June. Which crop has been identified by the Central Tuber Crop Research Institute CTCRI as an alternative feedstock source for ethanol production in India? This crop is cassava, and tapioca is the starch obtained from this plant. Yellow Gold 48, which was recently launched in India, is the first commercial variety of which crop? It is the commercial variety of yellow watermelon. Which Indian city has been ranked among the top 5 technology hubs in the Asia Pacific region as per a report by Colliers? This city is Bangalore. Recently, India and which country signed an MOU for cooperation in dairy, water, horticulture, farm mechanization and other agricultural allied sectors? This country is Fiji. Who is the author of the recently launched book Habba Khatun? This book has been authored by Kajal Suri. It was released by a theatre personality Arvind Gaur, and it is the story of Habba Khatun, who is also known by the honorary title the Nightingale of Kashmir. She was a Kashmiri poet and ascetic. She was the wife of Yusuf Shah Chak, the last emperor of Kashmir. Who among the following has been named the captain of 16-member Olympic-bound Indian men's hockey team for the Tokyo Olympics? It is Manpreet Singh. Where was the world's first genetically modified rubber plant being planted recently? It has been planted in Guwahati. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे एफर्ट्स और मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू.